the Bank of America Plaza. In Dallas, Texas, is a landmark skyscraper that stands out prominently in the city's skyline. Rising to a height of 921 feet, 280 meters, with 72 floors, it is the tallest building in Dallas and the third tallest in Texas. Completed in 1985, this iconic structure was designed by JPJ Architects in collaboration with HLM Design, featuring a modernist style with a reflective glass facade. The building's steel frame and glass and aluminum exterior give it a sleek, shimmering appearance. One of its most recognizable features is the green argon-filled lighting that outlines the building's edges, making it a standout feature of the skyline, especially at night. Initially developed by Prudential Insurance, the skyscraper is now owned by MetLife. Serving primarily as an office building, it houses various businesses and financial institutions, including its primary tenant, Bank of America. The Bank of America Plaza is not only a hub for business, but also a symbol of Dallas's economic vitality and architectural innovation, attracting attention with its distinctive nighttime lighting and commanding presence in the city.